Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. This is my treasure trove about monthly giveaway. I'm a little bit late this month, y'all. I don't know, I guess having that little baby, I can't keep track of any days, or I don't know what's going on. But anyway, this I will announce the winner from the last treasure trove, and then this giveaway continues. So this is a always continuing giveaway. So if you're new to my channel, you can always find a giveaway on my channel. It's called the Treasure Trove giveaway, and then I do other giveaways. So I usually, that video, if you look in my list of videos, there is a treasure box on the beach. So look for that if you want to get in on my giveaway. And like I said, I always have other giveaways. I often have other giveaways going on. There's all kinds of noise in here. I can't get it to stop. It's a kitten. So just, you'll have to bear with me, y'all. So I do have a winner from last time, and this will end July 22nd at noon. Hopefully, if I remember and all that. So noon Central Time, and I might as well tell you the rules now. Just you have to be 18 years or older. You have to live in the U.S. You do not have to live in the continental United States. You have to live in the United States, though. I will get a tracking. I'm not responsible if anything is lost or damaged. I'll get a tracking number for you. And if you are allergic to anything I send you, I hope that that's not the case. But please test. Check, make sure you don't have a reaction, because I am not responsible for that. And the camera may go flying because Cammie is just all over the place. All right. My winner from last time is Jenna Rotella, and I'll put her picture at the end. Hopefully I'll remember to do that. And she chose number 1. So number 1 was these nails, these beautiful nails. This, I think this was this is a mini highlighter. This is a little cute little palette. And there was this lippy and this eyeliner, and this Works hyaluronic serum. So that's what Jenna won. But y'all, I have so much stuff. I'm probably gonna do more for Jenna, and I'll do more for, she's driving me crazy. She's driving me to drink. I can't do anything. Camille, she's biting the cord. She's gonna get electrocuted. This is the rotten thing. You all have met her on Friday Night Gab. Okay, Camille, well, be a good girly now. Be a good girly. Okay, anyway, when I get these giveaways together, for the winner, I usually put in more stuff than I'm showing you. So just because I do. All right, so let's, this is how this works. I have 3 sets of things that you can win. And I ask you to choose one. And I also ask you just to choose them in order of how you would like to win them. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, whatever, So let me show you what's in group number 1. Since we have to replace that because Jenna won group number 1, okay? So I'm going to replace that with an e.l.f. This is the Length and Volume Black Waterproof Mascara. This is good mascara. I like it. Normally I take things out of the boxes, but it ends up the video being too long. So, and they have everything. You can see I've done that before on this. They have things packaged so well. e.l.f. packages things so well. So I'm just not going to do that, okay? And I do not have any nails for you this time because I can't find my nails at this very moment. So, but if you win and you want nails, I'll look for some, okay? So, all right, so we have the waterproof mascara. We have this Replenix brand, anti-aging, age restore nighttime therapy. I'm using one of these right now and I really like it. I love my creams, my potions and lotions. I love all that. And we have an e.l.f. bite-size face duo in watermelon. Isn't that pretty? It is a blush and a highlighter. And it's just, they're just adorable and so pretty. And then we have from ColourPop, I have 2 items from ColourPop. This is a color stick in, it is called Coffee Shop. So this is really hard to open. There, we got it open. So the packaging is not perfect. If you get things from me, the packaging is not perfect. I have not used anything, I promise. So this is an eyeliner. And it is the type that you will turn upward. I think that's how you do it. Well, I think so, but I won't turn it up because I don't want to mess it up. But it's a nice chocolate brown. That's the color there, okay? Oh, maybe even a little bit on the coppery side. It's very pretty. That's from ColourPop. And then also we have from ColourPop this cute little set. This is Barbie Dream House Lip Duo. So let's see what that is about. This is adorable packaging. Look at how cute that is in there. It's Barbie. Okay, so we have a lip liner, and there's the color. I won't open it, but that's a beautiful color. I love that color. And then we have a lippy. Now this is very much like the e.l.f. lippies, where you can see the bullet lipstick inside. So this is the color. It goes very nicely with that lip liner. It's a set. So isn't that pretty though? That component is so pretty. And it's a nice everyday color. I think most people can wear this color. And that is group number 1. So when you see everything, if you like this group best, then put this as your first choice, okay? And then we have group number 3, which is the same, except I added a couple little things, y'all. Oh, wait a second, I think I got myself a little messed up. 1, 2, oh, this goes with, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 3. Okay, I have something else that goes with this little set. So I also have the e.l.f. No, let's not do that one because that's the same. What was I gonna do? We'll do this. We'll add this one in. This is a little e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. Just a, it's a whatchamacallit, deluxe sample. So that is group 1. I hope we remember that now. Let me just show you really fast. If you like group number 1, there are 6 items in it. And these are the items, okay? Group number 1, okay? Now, for group number 2. Group number 2 has a lot of e.l.f. products in it. It has a baked highlighter and blush duo rose gold. And it has this lippy, which in the clear case, this is the Seriously Satin, very nice lippy. This is in the color, cherry, the color cherry. Isn't that pretty? You can see your bullet right through the lucite, or whatever that's called. And that is a nice, bright, it'll stay on your lips. So I have an e.l.f. lip exfoliator in what looks like a bullet lipstick, but this is the Mint Maniac. This stuff is really good. It's grainy. You rub it on your lips and it'll take off that lipstick. And then we have, I hope you guys can hear me because she is just making so much noise. I have to take a breath. Then you have the e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara in black. And then I have added this little, cute little, this is a Blemish Breakthrough Triple Acid Resurfacing Serum, e.l.f. Skin. This is just a little mini, it's a little dropper bottle. And it has triple acid resurfacing. It's just adorable little thing. But it says at the very top, Blemish Breakthrough. But I really think anybody can use it. Well, it says skin types should be for blemish prone. Okay. So it's adorable. And then I also have, this is one of my very favorite things, from the Borghese line. Nice bougie item. This is the Advanced Fango Active Mud for Face and Body. So this is a deluxe mini of a face mud. So it does not have a, whatchamacallit. Oh yeah, it does. It does. So I won't open it then. It's a nice looking mud. It's a nice smooth mud. I have used it before. It's very nice. I mean, I haven't used yours. I have my own. So that is group number 2. So if you like that one better, put that as number 2, as your first. And then I have some goodies in number 3 that are a mystery. So a lot of y'all just like the fact that it's a mystery. So you think that's fun. So you'll pick that one, which is fine. So put them in order of how you'll pick them. 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, however you want it. However you'd like to win. In case I end up picking more than one winner, which sometimes I pick 2, sometimes I pick 3. And if I do that and your first choice is taken, I want to know what your second choice is. Because I don't always have the same products that I can send out the same thing again. Now, sometimes I might, you know, if I pick two people and you both pick number one, I may have some of the same products. I may, but I may not. So that is this giveaway. And that's how it's played, is you put your numbers in. And if there's something you really don't want, then just don't mention that number. And I think that's about it. I gave you the rules, and I think that's about it, y'all. So Jenna Rotella, let's congratulate our winner. And Jenna, please get with me so I'll know that you saw this video, and I'll get your goodies out to you. And I think that's it, y'all. I always forget something, so you know, y'all tell me in the comments what I forgot. So I have fur flying in my face, and I hope you can hear me. Help me, help me, help me. I love her, but she's a lot of work. Okay, y'all. Count your blessings and take care. Bye-bye.